So welcome to my new setup. Hi everybody, welcome back to this channel. If you're watching this face for the first time, my name is Dafika. I do different makeup, beauty and lifestyle videos in this channel. Yes, I am back with a new setup. I was trying to film with this sort of a setup, but it was like a very difficult task for me because I was very used to with my mobile phone. I am still trying to film in this setup video, and it is a big Nykaa haul. So yes, this is the Nykaa haul video for today. Talking too much, let's get into the video. First product is this Pond's moisturizer. This is the light moisturizer, non-oily fresh feel moisturizer. I had used the gel format, but this is like a cream format. It is quite moisturizing. This is a 250 ml bottle tub, and this is priced at rupees 249 I suppose, but I got a discount in it. So yes, that's the first product. The next product is a shampoo. This is the Herbal Essence shampoo. This variant, the strength variant, so that I can deal with the hair fall and all that stuff. So this is a 400 ml, and this was priced at rupees, I suppose, 300 or 400. So yes, product that I bought is this by Jeva. This is the Jeva face pack. I love the charcoal mask of this brand. I ordered for the this charcoal mask, but I don't know how I got this variant. This is the Choco Caffeine variant. I don't know how this will work. This is a 100 ml bottle, and the price for this is 450 rupees, and there was not so much of a discount, and I grabbed this because I saw all the products from Jeva was like out of stock, and I have used the charcoal one. The charcoal one is very beautiful as a mask. I love that mask again. So the next product is this one by Wadi. This is the Wadi Herbals Elbow, Foot and Knee soap, scrub soap. I have used this. This is a 75 gram packaging, and the price for this is 38 rupees, but I got it a pack of 4, so there was a good discount in it, and it does work as a scrub. And if you want to you don't want to invest in very expensive scrub for your body, you can also use this in your body. This is it's not that harsh on your body, but it does work. This product is also by Jeva. This is the Jeva Rose Water. Okay, so this is 150 rupees. It's also a toner. I bought the Himalaya clarifying toner. I have used this toner before also, and I did like it. So yes, I bought the next pack, the next bottle. This is for 95 rupees, and this is 100 ml variants of it, and they're like 5 sheet masks. So they are like 100 rupees for each, but I got discount, very good discount in it. So this one by Calabar. This is the Calabar Wish Upon a Star Perfect Selfie Primer Oil. This is like a primer oil. This primer, I have used it once, but it would be like too early to talk about this primer, as it's very good, but I need to try it more, and we'll come back with the review very soon. So the next product is a concealer. So I bought the this concealer by Insight. I hope it's focusing. No, this is the Insight Makeup Essential 2X Cover Master Concealer, and I bought the shade 01, if you can see. So this is the shade 01, and this is the concealer. I used this concealer today, and I didn't like the formula. It doesn't have any coverage. If you see, if you blend this out, there is no such coverage. It's like a watery format, and I didn't like it, so it was like waste of money. But it was not that expensive. It was like under 150 rupees. So yeah, this is for 110 rupees, but I didn't like it. Is by Biotique. This is the Biotique All Day Magic Air All Day Foundation. This is in the shade Granola, and the price for this was 140 rupees. I did use this on my face today. It's like doesn't have full coverage, but you can work on it. It's also again from Biotique. This is the Biotique compact powder. It's for 145 rupees and I bought the shade Almond. So I like the compact, but if you are somebody who doesn't like fragrances in their product, I would suggest you to stay away from these two products, especially because I have used only this product from this line of Beauty. The next product is from the Physicians Formula. This is the mascara which I bought. This is the Eye Booster Lash Mascara and this is in the shade black. So the price for this is rupees 900 rupees, but yes, I got a good discount, so there was a good deal, a combo going on, so I bought this combo together. The next product is this lipstick by Physicians Formula again. So I bought the shade Bear With Me. This is a very famous shade. So this is the lipstick, this is the shade. It's a very beautiful sort of a nude shade. So this is priced for around 650 I suppose. So there was a good combo going on where you get this two for 1200 or 1300 together. So this is the reason I bought this two. Next product is this one, the Fresh Face Palette by PAC. This is a very expensive product. This is for rupees 2465 rupees, and this is the product that I'm talking about. This is a product which you can buy if you are into whole lot of face art and everything. I am doing a whole lot of face art and everything nowadays, so if you are into face art and everything, so you can go with this product. It is very pigmented, and if you haven't seen my work with the face art and art, you can follow me in Instagram and see my work. I'll give the link down in the description box and also the handle in my screen somewhere, so you can just click the link and get to my Instagram page and see my work there as well. Two eyebrows pencils. So this first one is by Miss Claire. This is the Miss Claire eyebrow pencil, and this is what I have in my eyebrows as well. The next product is that I have the Benefit Groove Proof product. This is my go-to and my favorite eyebrow pencil. So I bought this from In-N-Out. This is a Sephora website, and I bought the shade Cool Grey because there was good discount going on. So this is the shade here. It's like a grayish tone, so it's very close to the shade number 6 that I use. A lot of lipsticks, they're like a lot of them. First lipstick that I have is this one by Lakme. So this is in the shade Nude Pink. I wanted to use and try this by Lakme because I saw it's very famous, the Lakme one, and I also have the Maybelline liquid lipstick. So these are priced around 300 to 350 for lipstick door. If you see, so one I have from Maybelline. This is by Maybelline Liquid. This is Sensational Liquid Lipstick and 08. If I'll try to give the name in the description box. So this is also a very beautiful nudie pink sort of shade. So I think this is for 350, and I like the Maybelline one more because of the packaging, and also the wand is very handy. Lipstick is that I bought this one by Blue Heaven. This is the Elegance Matte Liquid Lipstick which I have on my lips. It's a little nude, and I have the shade number 11. Lipstick is the one by NYX. This is the NYX Lingerie, and this is a very famous shade. I wanted to try it from a very long time, but I find this one and the Maybelline one shade very similar to each other. This is the shade Exotic. From each other, not that similar. Lipstick that I have is by Huda Beauty. This is the Demi Matte Liquid Lipstick, and I bought the shade Mughal, and I love Huda Beauty. This liquid lipstick, this is the Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick. I bought the shade Bend and Snap. It's like a bright pink sort of shade which I like. This is the bottle, and it's bright. It's like bright pink sort of shade. It's very beautiful red shade. It look beautiful in all skin tones, whether you're fair, medium, whitish or dusky. This will look beautiful, and the packaging is like classy. I love this one. Next product that I have is by PAC. This is the PAC Lash Fixer. If you want to try this one, because I have heard very good reviews about this, but I have not tried it. This product, I wanted this product from a very long time. So this is a liquid gel. So what you do with this is, whenever if you find your liquid lipstick or any of your mascaras which are dried out, or if you want to mix your dried foundation, 1-2 drops of this, and you just 1-2 drops of it and use it to mix all anything that is dried out. It's all that I have from Nykaa. So I have some of the products from this brand, the Kingdom of Lashes. First product that I have is this one. This is the eyeshadow palette. So, and this is the color combination. This is the color combination. This is the packaging. It is like a cardboard packaging, and I'm going to do a makeup look with using their products as well. So it's going to come soon. Let me show you the pigmentation. It's not that bad, but I have to try to talk about it more. So yeah, product that I bought from Kingdom of Lashes is their matte liquid lipstick. This is the liquid lipstick. Packaging is quite cute. I love the bottle. So the shade name is Flirty Peach. So this is priced at $15.99. I think it is very expensive. 1600 for a lipstick. It's like a little expensive. That was it. This is all that I have in my Nykaa haul and the mix haul today. Enjoy the haul, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel if you like my work, and thank you so much for watching.